Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Hyundai Accent SE. This 4-door hatchback has a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 59,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, spare tire kit, and window defogger. Car Zone 18690 Van Buren Boulevard, Riverside, California 92508. In Woodcrest, across from El Pollo Loco. Sales Direct 951-790-0805. Text CARS on a deal to 474747 for special internet offers.